Oos, hey, what's up, konnichiwa. So in this video, more cool stuff from wonhobby Gallery 2023 Spring. And in this video, we take a look at the Hololive, Nendoroids, pop-up parades, and Figmas that they had on display. The scale figures, I made or will make individual videos for those. But so in this video, we just take a look at the Nendoroids, pop-up parades, and Figmas. And there's a bunch of them. So many Hololive idols. Hard to keep up, but yeah, generally all of them look great. But the ones I really liked was the Gauru Figma, and that one looks awesome, I think. And yeah, I love Gauru. Also, I was pretty impressed with the Watson America figures as well. And the Takanashi Kiara. The Takanashi Kiara ones, I was pretty impressed with the colors. It's quite nice coloring. But yeah, anyway, a lot of Hololive coming out. Yeah, some cool stuff. Let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね、Thanks for watching.